Greetings everyone. So this is my video for my outline here. It says on the pre-formatted template, number one, your statement. So how can the implementation of advanced technology and AI enhance military operations, decision making, and training? So a few main points here. The first one, the use of advanced technology into military contexts through granting autonomy and risk. What is being done to AI through the implementation of data and knowledge? And some information to develop this point is, how do ethics apply to military personnel and those making decisions, such as who is going to govern the thought process of military members who are tasked with implementing AI? What kind of decision-based models or historical data will be used? What will be the vetting process for those who are given the controls to oversee? Another point would be human input and oversight on AI platforms, not allowing AI to fully control decision-making processes, allowing human input to regulate. Life or death decisions should not be made in a technological universe. And how can AI systems be held accountable for risk-based wrong decisions? Another point, risk management strategies and balancing military effectiveness. Proposals for managing and mitigating risk-based decisions, achieving a successful outcome without undue risk to the operators or human involvement, and the possibility of accidental discharges, wrong information, misinformation, and cyber attacks on the actual equipment. Another main point, point two, human rights considerations involving AI and warfare tactics. What is being done to prevent civilian populations from being injured or killed during military operations? Information to include human rights, the right of all people to be safe, such as the governing and collaboration between governments which grant human laws against civilians in warfare, the prosecution of violations of military engagement against humanitarian laws, and key principles which militaries must abide by. They're ever-changing and differ depending on the region. Another point, legal and ethical implications tied to warfare, full considerations of what is expected when using AI, a conflict of interest between human rights and military operations that must be successful for the greater good, accountability and transparency to those not affected to understand and learn from what may go wrong, utilizing historical data. History must keep all information on when and how AI will and has been used in military operations, fully analyzing the data and input into future AI platforms to reduce the percent of repeat mishaps, and how can international law prevent these mishaps or unneeded collateral damage. Another main point 3, importance of using AI for future warfare and military operations and tactics due to the ever-changing and evolving military-industrial complex. Key points under that, understanding the capabilities AI has to explore, what and when to use it. There are many different types of AI for military use, such as language, weapon systems, and cybersecurity. Understanding the limitations we currently experience in a race to be AI proficient, and the consistent need for human oversight and interaction with these platforms. Current use of AI in military operations, data exploration, logistics, combat strategies are all fully entwined. Utilizing AI to keep humans safe in a very tense and high-risk situations. Utilizing AI for pattern recognition to prevent errors or injuries on the battlefront. Trusting and supporting AI. Accountability and reliability on the information that is being processed and disseminated to the members, units, or commands, ensuring human input is not biased or judgmental for proper outcomes, and if and when AI makes mistakes, who will be held accountable for that, and is that within reason? So there was 3 total points. Again, they were use of advanced technology into military contexts through granting autonomy and risk. What is being done to AI through the implementations of data. 2 would be human rights considerations involving AI and warfare tactics. What is being done to prevent civilian populations from being injured or killed during military operations. And 3, the importance of using AI for future warfare and military operations and tactics due to the ever-changing and evolving military-industrial complex.